Good morning, guys. Welcome back, Diamond Squad. Let's go ahead and get this ball rolling. Now, doors are opening for you guys because I'm giving you all these hot jobs, you guys. Let's get into it. This job, this company that I'm giving you two more companies this morning on this video. It's from Cigna and it's based out in Hartford, Connecticut. It's a remote position. It's $18 to $27 per hour. And the job role will be customer service grievances, lead representative, work from home position. And the benefits of this job is 401k matching, dental insurance, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, smoking cessation program, tuition reimbursement, vision insurance, work from home. And this is the job description for the grievance team. The grievance team manages Cigna Medicare, Medicaid grievances that are presented by our members or their representatives pertaining to the authorization of our delivery of clinical and non-clinical services. Grievance work is in collaboration with divisions within and outside the organization to resolve issues in a timely and compliant manner. The quality review coordinator is responsible for performing internal quality review audits of operational processes for intake, research, and resolution to ensure compliance with policies, procedures, and quality standards. The reviewer will investigate, audit, conduct root cause, analyze, handle processing of determinations, track and trend findings. The individual at this level will embody Cigna's culture drivers through his or her workplace behavior and will work under minimal supervision. The duties and responsibilities of this job position will be conduct quality audits of grievances, appropriate sources of information including eligibility, claims, authorizations, service forms, faxes, and any additional information required to complete all grievance investigations. Analyze errors and determine root causes for appropriate classification, trending, and remediation. Record track quality assessment sources and provide feedback to reduce errors and improve processes and performance to ensure quality. Review and investigate grievance requests to ensure all requests are identified, classified, and fully resolved in a compliant manner. Present results of investigations to senior staff and prepare written reports concerning investigation activities. Subsequent auditing and handling of grievance requests, including processing where applicable, tracking, documenting, reporting, and dispersal of findings and recommendations. Identify defects and improve departmental performance by supporting quality, operational efficiencies, and production goals. Assisting in the development of departmental policies and procedures, reviews, and efficiency of existing training. Meet established time frames and rates of performance for the quality and quantity of work for the position. Participate in regulatory and mock audit activities including universe review, scrubbing, risk analysis, timelessness assessment, and case walkthrough activities. Additional duties are as assigned. Candidates qualifications: 2 years in the Medicare, medical management, managed care environment, investigating and resolving grievances. Experience in an auditing capacity, conducting root cause analysis. Customer service experience in clinical practice with experience and in appeals and grievances, claims processing, utilization review, or utilization management, case management, experience handling confidential information. And they talk to you about basically about the compliance and regulatory responsibilities, knowledge of state and federal appeal and grievance regulatory requirements, strong written and verbal communication skills, ability to work independently on several computer applications such as Microsoft Word and Excel, as well as corporate email, demonstrate ability to manage large caseloads and effectively work in a fast-paced environment. For this position, we anticipate offering an hourly rate of $18 to $27 per hour, depending on relevant factors, including experience and geographic location. This role is also anticipated to be eligible to participate in an annual bonus plan, which will do you be helping customers with medical health plans and stuff like that. Along with Cigna, they give you all of the rundowns of what all you have to do. And they have reasonable accommodations with completing your application and doing the online process of application. You can get help with that by sending an email to this email address is seeyourself@cigna.com for support. It said do not email seeyourself@cigna.com for an update on your application or to provide your resume, as you will not receive a response. Cigna has a tobacco-free policy and reserves the right not to hire tobacco nicotine users in the states where that is legally permissible. Candidates in such states who use tobacco nicotine will not be considered for employment unless they enter a qualifying smoke cessation program prior to the start of their employment. These states include Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Iowa, Kansas, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Nebraska, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Texas, Utah, Vermont, and Washington State. It got posted today. So if you guys want to get hired on with Cigna, it's based on in Hartford, Connecticut. It's a remote position. It's starting at $18 an hour to $27 per hour. And the job role will be customer service grievances, lead representative, work from home position. Now the second job of this video will be Envera Health. The company is called Envera Health. And the job role will be patient access coordinator. Patient access coordinator. And the job pay will be $15 an hour. And it's a fully remote job. And the benefits of this job is 401k matching, adoption assistance, and disability insurance, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, and tuition reimbursement. And this is the full job description of this job. Is Envera Health's patient access coordinators work collaboratively with several medical client partners to schedule patient appointments and provide general patient support in a telephonic environment. We are seeking highly dependable candidates who take their work performance seriously and who enjoy working in a fast-paced and high-energy environment while seeking ways to create a positive patient experience for each touch point you have. This is a remote work from home position. We are currently hiring in Alabama, Arizona, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Iowa, Maryland, Minnesota, Missouri, Montana, New Mexico, Pennsylvania, Kentucky, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Virginia, and Wisconsin. Hiring for the following full-time and part-time shifts: Monday through Friday, 8 hours a day, full-time, 8 and Monday through Friday, 5 hours a day, part-time. Responsibilities will be for this company and for this job. For this patient access coordinator role will be answering about a high volume high volume of calls a day using a multi-line phone, 75 calls per day, and over 75 plus calls per day. Accurately schedule appointments for multiple clinical sites according to client-specific protocols. Gather and input patients' demographic and insurance information into the practice management system. Listen and report complex clinical issues to the appropriate supervisor, client, partner. Assist callers and navigate them to appropriate resources concisely and accurately. Document call activity outcomes and other notes as needed in client system. Work collaboratively with coworkers to meet the goals and objectives of the department. Must meet attendance and performance standards. The benefits for a full-time position will be 4 paid personal days, 10 additional paid time off days that occur as you work. Federal holidays paid, life insurance and short-term and long-term disability insurance at no cost, 8 different health insurance plans options that begin after 30 days of employment, 401k plan matching, bonus program based on attendance and performance, educational reimbursement payment up to $1,500, an adoption assistance program up to $1,500. Wonderful job, you guys. They have adoption assistance programs up to $1,500 an hour, and they have educational reimbursement program for up to $1,500 an hour. $1,500 per employee. The starting pay rate is $15 per hour with quarterly bonuses based on attendance and performance. And required qualifications are customer and patient service skills, strong internet service speed, and access to a router via Ethernet cord, minimum 20 megabytes per second download and 6 megabytes per second upload. And these are the preferred qualifications, you guys. Experience in Microsoft Office and EMR. I'll go over these briefly. Excellent oral and written communication skills required. Ability to multitask in a fast-paced environment with a high degree of attention to detail. And about us, they are equal opportunity employers, and they just posted this job, and they have reasonable accommodations for people who have disabilities to perform their essential functions. And this right here, this job is just posted 1 day ago. It's with Envera Healthcare. So if you think that you will be a great fit for this job, it's $15 per hour. It's full time. It's a remote position for Envera Health. And the job position is patient access coordinator. So like and subscribe and comment down below. Hit the notification bell, you guys. Share this job for anybody who you think will be a great fit for this job and who you think will want to work this job. And that's it for this video, you guys. Keep going. Let's go. I will see you guys on the next video.